Hey there my friends, let's get straight into this fantastic song, and as always we'll do all the guitar parts, so let's get into it. So for guitar 1 for our intro, we're going to play 7 D and G 2 times, then just an A power chord, then we're going to a G chord, and this will be the G we're using throughout the whole song. 3rd fret on the E, mute the A, open D, open G, 3rd fret on the B, and we're going to do a down, up, down, and then just a D power chord with an up. Back to the first ones, our 7 2 times, A, then we play the E string, open, 2nd fret, back to our G again, and an upstroke on our D. And we just do that 2 times, and that's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. This is pretty easy, we're just palm muting the A chord right through, and we're starting on the 4 and when the guitar riff starts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And just palm muting 8th notes the whole way through. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, guitar 1, just play the A power chord 2 times. We're holding for 2 bars there, and on the 4 and jump to an F sharp power chord 2 times. Play our G chord and our D as an upstroke. Then we're repeating the A again, 2 times the F sharp. And to finish off, we're going to palm mute the 3rd fret on the E string 2 times. Play the open D and G 2 times. Palm mute 3rd fret E, open D and G, palm mute 3rd fret on the E. So, and that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is just going to palm mute the open A string for 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On the 4 and go to the 2nd fret on the E, and we're doing a bar. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and on the 4 and again go to 3. So 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we're going back to the open again for 2 bars. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back to the 2nd fret. Then just go to the 3rd fret on the E. And that's both guitars for the verse. So for our pre-chorus, guitar 1's going to play an F power chord 2 times. That's going to go to a C power chord, we're doing that 2 times. Then we're going back to the B flat with this blues pattern. So 1st fret on the A, 3rd on the D, do it 2 times. And then 1st fret A, 5th fret on the D, back to 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1 and 3. So, then jump to 3rd fret D and G, play it once, then 3rd fret D, 5th fret G once, and then back to 3rd fret D and G 3 times. Back to the F power chord, play it once, and then do an upstroke. Then we're going to a G blues pattern, so play the G power chord 2 times, and then 3rd fret E, 7th fret A, back to the G. And then we're going to play the 3rd fret E and B open G as an upstroke. So we have. Then guitar 1's just going to hold the E chord, power chord, and then play the E open string, and guitar 2 will be doing the fill. So let's have a look at guitar 2. It's pretty similar, we're playing the high F power chord 2 times. Then do an upstroke on 10 on the B and the G. Play the C power chord, and then we're repeating the same as guitar 1 with our blues pattern. Our fill stays the same. 2, 3, back to the high F, play it once, 2 upstrokes on 10, B and G. This time go to the G blues pattern, do the G power chord 2 times, 3 and 7, G 2 times, then play the open E string, then we're going to come up to the 7 on the G, 8 on the B, play it 2 times, 9 D and G, back to 7 and 8 2 times, then do 7, slide up to 9 on the G, and play 9 again, and then repeat that again. 7 and 8 2 times, 9 D and G, 7 and 8 2 times. And they're all the parts of the pre-chorus. Then for our chorus, it's nearly the same as our intro. We still have our 7s to our A, to the G, D, repeat again, our run up, G, to D, repeat that again, G, our 7s, our run up. Now this G we're holding for a bar, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, and on the and we're going to the D. That's guitar 1. Now guitar 2 is just doing the palm muting on the open A like the intro, whole way through the chorus C. And that's the 2 parts of the chorus. Then our second verse is nearly the same. Guitar 1, we play the A, to the F sharp, to the G, to the D, so that stays the same. Then we play the A again 2 times, F sharp. Here we're going to play G 3 times open, 1, 2, 3, and then the D power chord as an upstroke. And guitar 2 stays the same. And that's our second verse there. From there we go back to the pre-chorus and that stays the same. So for our second chorus it's nearly exactly the same. We're just doing the first 4 bars twice there instead of once, the same as the first chorus. So you still have the G to the D. Do that twice, and then the third time through we're holding that G like we did at the end of the first chorus. So that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is just pumping along again on our open A string palm muting, the same as our first chorus. So for our bridge, guitar 1's playing an F power chord, do down, up, down, and then 1 on the E, 5 on the A, back to the F 3 times, back to the 1 and 5, so just a blues pattern. Come up to the G, we're doing a blues pattern here again, G, power chord 2 times, 3 and 7 on the A, back to 3 and 5. So then we're going back to the F 2 times, our 1 and 5, 1 and 3. Then go from 1, slide up to 5 on the E string, play 8 and 5 on the A, back to an A power chord, then just play 2nd fret on the D, 4 on the G, back to 2 and 2 D and G's. Then we're going back to the F again, 2 power chords, 1 and 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 5, then repeat that pattern on the C. Do the same on the D. Now guitar 1's just going to play the E power chord, like our pre-chorus, and then the open E. So for guitar 2 it's going to do nearly exactly the same, except we're just holding that A power chord after our little run up. Just hold the A power chord, don't put the fill in, and then at the end we're going to do that pre-chorus fill again, the A and L. And they're all the parts to the bridge. play our intro through 2 times, and then for our last chorus it changes a little bit. The start will be the same, the 7s to an A power chord. Then you're going to play 3rd fret on the B and the E, slide up to the 5th fret, and play the 5th fret again on the B and the E. So, do our G's the same, to the D, and then do that fill again. Do the 7s again. Now this time jump to the 3, B and D again, play it 2 times, and the second time slide up to the 5. 5 again, and then just our G through our D, and we're repeating that all the way to the end. Now guitar 2 is just doing our palm muting again on the open A string all the way through, and guitar 3 is going to play the same except on our last G and D. We're going to play the high G power chord, so 12B, G, D, and 10 on the A, and then go back to 7 on the B, G and D. And each time we do that G and the D at the end, we put that little fill in on the G and the D chords. And they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Trial by Fire guitar lesson. Don't forget, if you love Kiss, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.